11.25H2 version 3. Is it the safest and most stable Windows 11 yet? Today I'm going to show you whether it really is. Tiny 11 has always been known for being a lightweight version of Windows 11, designed to run on older or low-spec devices without all the extra apps and services that slow things down. The new 25H2 version 3 release takes that idea even further by focusing on speed, stability, and compatibility. It's built from the latest Windows 11 25H2 update but trimmed down to include only what's essential, giving you a faster system with smoother performance even on basic hardware. What makes this version stand out is how optimized it is. The installation size is much smaller compared to the official Windows 11 ISO, and it uses less RAM and CPU power while running. You can install it on a computer with as little as 2 GB of RAM and still experience responsive performance. Despite being lightweight, it still includes full support for Microsoft Store, Windows Defender, and modern drives, meaning you won't lose the core functionality needed for daily use. When you first boot it up, you'll notice how quickly it loads. There are no pre-installed apps like Edge, Teams, or OneDrive slowing things down, and background services are kept to a minimum. The result is faster startup times, better multitasking, and smoother operation even on older SSDs or hard drives. The desktop feels clean and uncluttered, giving you more control over what you want to install and use. Tiny 11.25H2 version 3 also focuses heavily on stability. The developer ensured that all Windows updates still work properly, so you can keep your system secure without needing manual patches. It's compatible with both online and offline accounts, and you can connect your Microsoft account if you prefer syncing your settings and files. Another advantage is its improved compatibility with drivers and apps. Almost everything that runs on standard Windows 11 should work here too, including Office apps, browsers, and even games. To install it, you just need to download the Tiny 11.25H2 version 3 ISO, create a bootable USB using a tool like Rufus, and follow the usual Windows setup process. Once installed, it behaves like a normal Windows system but feels noticeably lighter. You can still personalize the interface, install your preferred software, and even enable Windows features that were previously removed if you need them. Overall, Tiny 11.25H2 version 3 truly feels like the most balanced version yet. It's fast, stable, and efficient without sacrificing the look and features that make Windows 11 familiar. Whether you're reviving an old laptop or just want a cleaner, faster version of Windows for daily use, this release proves that you can have both performance and reliability in one compact package.